Nebraska, located in the heart of the Midwest, is a state full of surprises. Known for its vast prairies, rolling sandhills, and historic landmarks, Nebraska offers a rich blend of natural beauty, scientific discovery, and cultural history. From prehistoric fossils to geological marvels, Nebraska's landscapes hold secrets that continue to inspire and amaze explorers and scientists alike. But have you ever wondered what hidden treasures lie beneath Nebraska's wide-open skies, waiting to be uncovered? Let's take a deep dive into Nebraska's unique geology, recent discoveries, and breathtaking landscapes that are still shaping our understanding of this incredible state. Nebraska's Sandhills, a natural wonder. What secrets lie beneath the vast expanse of the Nebraska Sandhills? This remarkable dune formation, covering over 19,000 square miles, is the largest stabilized sand dune system in the Western Hemisphere. Shaped by powerful winds during the Pleistocene epoch, these ancient dunes, now anchored by resilient prairie grass, hold a treasure trove of geological and ecological history. Beneath the surface, researchers have discovered traces of ancient lakes, groundwater aquifers, and river systems, offering a glimpse into Nebraska's dynamic climate shifts and hydrological transformations over thousands of years. Could further exploration of the Sandhills unveil even more about Nebraska's prehistoric landscapes? Yes, and the possibilities are exciting. Scientists are employing advanced tools like ground-penetrating radar to reveal hidden sediment layers and isotopic analysis to trace ancient water flow patterns. These methods are uncovering the story of long-extinct ecosystems that once thrived in the region, including evidence of lush wetlands and diverse wildlife. Fossilized remains of plants and animals adapted to dramatically different environments may still lie buried within these dunes, waiting to reshape our understanding of prehistoric Nebraska. Could humans have once inhabited these ancient landscapes? Researchers believe it's possible. Some speculate that the Sandhills might conceal artifacts or structures from prehistoric human activity, hinting at civilizations that adapted to the shifting dunes and changing climates. With ongoing technological advancements and dedicated exploration, the Nebraska Sandhills promise to reveal even more hidden chapters of the Earth's past, making them a natural wonder worth exploring. Ashfall Fossil Beds, a prehistoric time capsule. One of Nebraska's most famous paleontological sites, the Ashfall Fossil Beds, provides a rare and detailed window into life during the Miocene epoch, around 12 million years ago. Preserved under a blanket of volcanic ash from an eruption in present-day Idaho, the site captures an extraordinary snapshot of an ancient ecosystem. Fossils of rhinos, camels, horses, and other animals were so well preserved that some still show articulated skeletons, stomach contents, and even the delicate outlines of soft tissues. The catastrophic event that buried these creatures offers invaluable insights into the sudden and devastating impacts of environmental disasters on biodiversity. What other fossil treasures could still be buried beneath Nebraska's soil, waiting to rewrite the story of life on Earth? Scientists believe Nebraska's fossil-rich regions, particularly in the north-central Niobrara River Valley, hold untapped potential. Layers of sediment from the Miocene and earlier epochs may conceal undiscovered species, ranging from small mammals to aquatic life. Advanced imaging technologies and targeted excavations are likely to reveal new fossils, offering clues about ancient migration patterns, climate shifts, and interactions among species that once thrived in Nebraska's now extinct savannas. With such a vast and unexplored area, the potential for groundbreaking discoveries remains immense. The Platte River, a migratory marvel. Nebraska's Platte River isn't just a waterway. It's a lifeline for countless species and a crucial stopover for migratory birds. Each spring, millions of sandhill cranes flock to the river in one of the world's greatest wildlife spectacles. The river's ancient channels also hold clues about Nebraska's geological past, with sediment layers revealing the story of the land's formation. Could new technologies uncover even more about the Platte's role in shaping Nebraska's history and ecosystems? Absolutely. Advanced imaging and sediment core studies are helping geologists trace ancient river patterns and uncover artifacts buried in the floodplains. These tools could lead to discoveries about prehistoric human activity and environmental changes along the Platte. Nebraska's underground treasures, caves and fossils. Beneath Nebraska's prairies lies a world waiting to be explored. Caves and underground formations, especially in the Pine Ridge region, harbor secrets of Nebraska's geological and paleontological past. Recent discoveries of fossilized bones in these caves are helping scientists piece together the lives of ancient creatures that roamed the state millions of years ago. How many more hidden caves and fossils might still lie undiscovered in Nebraska's underground labyrinths? Many. Explorations using sonar mapping and excavation techniques suggest that uncharted caves could still hold well-preserved fossils or even ancient artifacts waiting to be revealed. Chimney Rock and Scotts Bluff, landmarks of the past. Chimney Rock and Scotts Bluff are iconic landmarks that served as guideposts for pioneers traveling westward on the Oregon Trail. These geological formations not only hold historical significance, but also provide clues about Nebraska's ancient environments. Erosion has exposed layers of sediment, offering a glimpse into the region's geological timeline. Could further studies of these formations reveal more about Nebraska's prehistoric landscapes? Yes, ongoing erosion and weathering continue to expose new layers of sediment, potentially revealing fossilized remains or ancient climatic data that could shed light on Nebraska's distant past. Nebraska's renewable energy revolution. From its agricultural roots to its current leadership in renewable energy, Nebraska is paving the way for sustainable development in the Midwest. With expansive open landscapes ideal for wind turbines and abundant sunshine for solar farms, the state is maximizing its natural resources to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Wind power is already making a significant impact, with Nebraska ranking among the top states for wind energy capacity. Solar energy is also on the rise, with projects expanding in both urban and rural areas, providing clean energy solutions to local communities and businesses. Could Nebraska's geological formations also hold the key to breakthroughs in energy storage and resource management? Absolutely. Researchers are investigating Nebraska's subsurface geology, including its underground rock formations and aquifers, for potential geothermal energy applications. These formations could serve as natural storage reservoirs for thermal energy, or as sites for carbon capture and storage to mitigate emissions. Additionally, studies on the state's saline aquifers and sedimentary basins suggest they could play a crucial role in hydrogen production and advanced battery storage. By combining its renewable energy advancements with innovative use of geological resources, Nebraska is positioning itself as a leader in the quest for a sustainable energy future. The Nebraska Panhandle, archaeological secrets. In addition to its geological and paleontological marvels, Nebraska boasts a wealth of archaeological treasures. The Nebraska Panhandle, with its dramatic landscapes and fertile river valleys, was once home to thriving Native American cultures. Sites such as those near the North Platte River have yielded pottery, tools, ceremonial artifacts, and remnants of early agriculture, shedding light on the ingenuity and adaptability of these ancient communities. These discoveries reveal the complex social structures, trade networks, and spiritual practices that connected Nebraska's early inhabitants to the broader prehistoric world. What other untold stories of Nebraska's ancient civilizations might still be waiting to be discovered? Archaeologists believe that many more secrets are buried beneath Nebraska's vast plains. Undisturbed village sites, ceremonial grounds, and trade centers could offer new insights into the daily lives and migrations of these communities. Advances in remote sensing technology, such as LiDAR and ground-penetrating radar, are helping researchers locate potential sites without disturbing the landscape. These tools could uncover evidence of long-lost trade routes, burial mounds, or even petroglyphs, providing a deeper understanding of the cultural and spiritual heritage of Nebraska's earliest peoples. With so much left unexplored, Nebraska's archaeological history holds endless potential for discovery. The future of discovery in Nebraska. Nebraska's landscapes are a treasure trove of possibilities for scientists, adventurers, and historians alike. With advancements in technology, such as drones and ground-penetrating radar, researchers are uncovering more about the state's geological, paleontological, and archaeological secrets than ever before. As exploration continues, who knows what incredible discoveries await in Nebraska's hidden corners? The possibilities are endless, from ancient fossils to archaeological finds and renewable energy innovations. Nebraska is truly a state where history and science meet to create a future full of discovery. If you're as fascinated by Nebraska's wonders as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more explorations of America's hidden treasures. Before we wrap up, which part of Nebraska's history or geology intrigues you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.